told you this was gonna be fun.
And then the wires, so you could do plugs. And then electric.
Thanks a lot, you guys. This is just such a treat. Yeah. We're in Squamish, British Columbia at Orca Floats. We're gonna put together an Orca float. These things are so rad. They're just Clecoing them together. Aluminum is very familiar. Let's go check out how they are produced.
So does the customer have to buy their own SolidWorks?
No, we ship a finished tablet that has that on it. So you don't even need to install that on your computer. You open your box, you take out the tablet, and you...
A tablet, like an iPad?
Like a screen. Yeah, it's an iPad, and there's a little box with a computer that you have to plug in, but it's a touch screen. And
with it comes with the floats?
Yeah, it comes with.
Or the kit?
Yeah, with it.
Perfect. That goes into the press. Yeah.
Putting the pizza in the pizza oven, eh?
Yeah, I used to make pizzas.
Go up? Yeah, you can go up.
So that's finished rib.
Yeah, that's all it took, and I still love that you
And there's
right onto it.
and then you know through the manual what the part number is, right?
Yeah.
And everything's gonna have the parts on it.
Just Cleco it together? Have you ever used Clecos?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Come on, man.
Come on.
I mean,
You built your
I
whole
built
life?
my plane.
I think he's in on the joke now.
You guys get an idea of how.
Which way does it go?
And so these are 40 size Clecos, so do you final size
Yeah,
up
you
larger?
gotta final size it to size 30.
Yeah.
And that's in the manual, like you would pre-build all the bulkheads, right? These would have stiffeners on it. But just to show it now, we can just Cleco these straight in. Because normally this would have other parts to it. But
Oh,
if you
sure,
follow
sure.
through the manual, you kind of get all these
Yeah.
pre-built.
Right.
And at some stage you would drop them in.
Doing great.
We're done by this afternoon.
Seal them up and let's go.
What you essentially would do is you have your bulkhead, right?
Yeah.
So now you would have that like that. It would be all drilled, right, and everything. And then you would just put a bead of sealant on here.
Yep.
And then you just flatten that with like a spatula. And then you just go like that. And then you pop it in. And then you put your Clecos in, like the size 30. And then you just take your rivet gun and go after that. And
What kind of rivets? So there's pop rivets?
they pop rivets, yeah. They all pull
Avex
rivets.
or what?
Avex, yeah.
Okay.
Avex pull rivets. So yeah, you don't need to buck anything.
Nice.
Thanks, Marco and Andrew. Let's test him out on his, what is it, a Super Cub? You got him strapped to?
Yep. Experimental Super Cub.
Experimental Super Cub.
Look at the view out his shop window.
Oh my gosh.
You might be able to put that in Garmin too. Well, we still need the switches. You need the switches, but you might be able to have the lights.
Back at the Squamish Airport, Marco on the Super Cub, experimental Super Cub with the Orca Floats on it. Trent's, I think, gonna fly with him, right, Trent? And then this is John. They grew up together. Reno, skied all the time. There's a glacier we're gonna go to, beach we're gonna go to. Andrew's the guy who designed all that SolidWorks and that amazing manual that you can just click on things, move things around, and it tells you how to bend and how to countersink and match drill. That's just game changing. All right, we're warm.
Wanna land in this one? I don't really want to, but I want to watch you. I want to make a plan. Yeah, I'm good too, Marco.
necessary. Steve's well behind you.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna go straight.
Cool, I'll just follow you.
Sounds good. Just gonna turn left here just to get a little bit more height. Roger.
Steve's gonna head left to check out that glacier real quick.
We're on the water, guys. Okay, Marco, me, Jeff, and Mitch can get there flying. We got a grass strip there. Oh yeah, you gonna fly over here? Sure. Sounds good. Yeah, we cool. We can. I just want to see what Steve can do with his rams, because it's a bit short. For sure, otherwise just give him a ride. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm good to ferry people over easily. And if he wants to go to the longer strip, that's cool too, and then just pick him up there maybe. Exactly. Awesome. Thanks, Guy. Very well done.
Thank you.
You guys have a name for this spot? Ridge Glacier. That's so cool.
Thanks a lot, you guys. This is just such a treat. After they're done checking out the Nomad, we're gonna hop in and then just go, I don't know, half mile away and meet up with Marco and Trenton. Oh yeah, so good. Easy. So we're just walking over to check out the float plane over there. Jen rescued a little bird that was just like flying by and crashed in the water. She grabbed it and dried it off and off it flew. Trent looking like he's 12 years old in a oversized sweatshirt.
Looks like a 90.
Ready?
Yeah.
I can't jump high.
I promise I'm gonna trip you in. Ready?
Yeah.
Should we do some donuts?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's not every day that you get a free ride from Trent. Not an airplane.
All right, that was rad. So I'm gonna hop in, try to join up with these guys, make it back, and then I think our plan is to head back to the States this afternoon, and then Trent and Ryan might stay in Bend with me tonight. So onward. Here we go.
Jump into this little meadow really quick. It's too pretty. Oh, sounds good.
It was written in the stars, carved in stone inside our hearts.
Oh, feel that uplift. Ooh.
Something lasting.
I imagine with floats on, it kind of takes away the pitching moment when you advance or reduce the throttle of a high wing airplane. This probably flies pretty decent. Yeah, it flies pretty good, eh? Probably reduces the roll rate a little bit, though. Yeah, a little bit. You feel it.
Take me home.
Okay, so I'm just going to cross over you right here. I'm going to be on your left. Okay. I'm on the left side of the valley. Come here.
Take me home. I'm holding on to you. There ain't no love like our love. There ain't no love like our love.
All right, we made it back, obviously, and we're just fueling up. We're gonna figure out our paperwork and head to, I think, crossing the border at Bellingham or Port Angeles. We're not 100% sure. Mitch, Jen, such a nice time. I'm sure we will be seeing you soon.
I think High Sierra flying one.
Oh, awesome. Okay, that sounds great. I hope you guys make it. Hey, Marco. Dude, pleasure, man. That was so great. We'll see you soon. Absolutely. You have an awesome idea, and especially with Andrew. And I next time I want to meet Omar. I hear he's pretty rad too. Okay. Cheers, man. See ya. Did you get your passport? So long, Canada. Oh, here they are. Nice. I better shut down cameras. No. What's that? Oh, thank you. We can hop out. Just stay in the square. All right. Super nice gentleman. I think he's gonna Geiger count our aircraft, but we're gonna bring our documents over here. What? Hey, watch the restrict area. Success. We made it through. We already hugged it out, but for the video, let's do it again. Oh, this guy, biggest hug, he leans in. Look at this parking job. Stuck it. To Bend?
To Bend.
Boys, Aaron is headed east over the Cascades back home to Ellensburg. It's been an absolute pleasure. I cannot say enough good things about this trip. So thank you all, and it'll only be a week, but Oshkosh coming up. Yeah, man, that was one for the books. We'll get that in the books, and then on to the next one. Oshkosh, here we come. Thanks for your airmanship, friendship, and we'll see you soon. See you, boys. Good thing there's only 3. I'm running out of tissues up here. Wait, Trent, are you getting your instrument license? Yeah, once we outfit this thing with a navigator, I'm going to do it in this plane. Dude, that is awesome. But you know what you have to do? You got to talk on the radio. Yep, that'll be all I need to learn, pretty much. We are 20 minutes out from Bend. This is unreal to see my home mountains. There are the sisters that are painted on the side of my plane. Got Mount Broken Top, and then you got Bachelor way off in the distance, so we're getting close. Bend traffic, November 223, Charlie Delta, flight of 3, turning left base, runway 34, full stop, Bend.
are all tucked in at Bend Airport. My adventure is done. These guys have another leg tomorrow, but I think this is a perfect time to sign off. First off, Darren and Tom, thank you guys for the hangar space for Trent and Ryan.
Yes. Thank you
But
very much.
thanks all of you for watching and joining. Ryan, Trent, and Steve, till next time, you're cleared direct. All right, I'll be getting my shit together. Dave, man, great to meet you. Finally, everybody's runs up to Trent, and this guy ran up to me. He's been watching since the beginning. So
I love the airplane. It's
Thanks.
awesome. Looks better in person.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. His helicopter was running as we taxied by, and he said something like, "I've seen those STOL planes before." I'm like, "Who's that?" He's like, "The dude in the chopper." I got a STOL plane too. I'm like, "Yeah, that's extreme STOL."
Yeah, pretty unique color schemes here.
Yeah, for sure. Recognizable. But cool. Thanks for the massive greeting. Do you have to still go fly?
Yeah, I gotta fly home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, where do you live?
Whistler.
Oh, you live, okay, just
Yeah,
up the road.
just flying back up to Whistler. So.
Awesome. All right. Well, will we see you tomorrow maybe? I don't know what we're doing, but.
No, I'm working all day tomorrow.
Okay. Well,
So,
nice
see
to
ya.
meet you, man.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Great. Well, have a good, safe flight home.
Okay, cheers.